Come on, let's go, let's have some fun. Everybody gather around, bring all your friends. It's time to go to the new playground. Jump and climb, swing and slide, run around all day. All that swing playtime zone, reach up to the sky climb zone. Let's all jump up high climb zone. Whoa, climb zone. Whoa, climb zone. Reach up to the sky climb zone. Let's all jump up high climb zone. Whoa, climb zone. Whoa, climb zone.
Now that was some awesome climb zoning, right, you guys?
It's the perfect way to end a night of fighting crime.
Let's just hope our night of fighting crime is actually done.
Don't worry, Catboy. Those villains have to dig out of a garbage truck full of trash birds before they can start any new villain schemes.
Yeah, I think bedtime is safe for another night, Catboy. For sure.
Everybody gather around, bring all your friends.
Hi, Master Designers. Tonight we're going to draw Ollie and Moon from the Ollie and Moon show. The Ollie and Moon show is about two adventurous cats named Ollie and Moon, and they travel across the planet and get this, they learn a lot about new cultures, new activities, and they're sightseers as well. And also they have this
Awesome climb zoning, right, you guys?
roommate, snail roommates named
Let's just hope our night of fighting
Stanley.
crime is actually done.
Don't worry, Catboy. Those villains have to dig out of a garbage truck full of trash birds before they can start any new villain schemes.
We're gonna start off
Yeah,
with
I
Ollie.
think bedtime is safe for another night, Catboy. For sure.
He's the one who decides. He's the one with the map, and he's a rather complicated guy. Go. Now we draw Moon. Alexa, play it again.
Come on, let's go, let's have some fun.
That cheeky, playful cat
Everybody gather around, bring all
who
your
enjoys
friends.
adventure and traveling to
To the new playground.
places. She's always up for some fun.
Swing and slide, run around all day. All that swing playtime zone, reach up to the sky climb zone. Let's all jump up high climb zone. Whoa, climb zone. Whoa, climb zone. Reach up to the sky climb zone. Let's all jump up high climb zone. Whoa, climb zone. Whoa, climb zone.
Now that was some awesome climb zoning, right, you guys?
It's the perfect way to end a night of fighting crime.
Let's just hope our night of fighting crime is actually done.
Don't worry, Catboy. Those villains have to dig out of a garbage truck full of trash birds before they can start any new villain schemes.
Yeah, I think bedtime is safe for another night, Catboy. For sure.
High five. So get this, their eyes often have a twitch in it. I don't know why they have I don't know why these characters have a twitch in it. That's what it means to be part of a lazy towner. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Come on, let's go, let's have some fun. Everybody gather around, bring all your friends. It's time to go to the new playground. Jump and climb, swing and slide, run around all day.
Here's the stripes.
Playtime zone, reach up to the sky, climb zone. Let's all jump up high, climb zone. Whoa, climb zone. Whoa, climb zone. Reach up to the sky, climb zone. Let's all jump up high, climb zone. Whoa, climb zone.
And done. That's how you draw the Ollie and Moon characters from the Ollie and Moon show.
It's the perfect way to end a night of fighting crime.
Let's just hope our night of fighting crime
That's
is
enough of that.
actually done.
See you later.
Don't worry, Catboy.